Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I am going to introduce an analyst, the founder of 21st Capital. He mentioned bottom is near, and here's why. SEC delayed crypto ETF staking and in-kind redemption decisions as agency mulls long-term crypto regulatory strategy. Their priority is to clarify crypto assets into commodity, into security. This is the foremost, the very much important homework, and this needs to be done, but it will take some more time. Anyway, after it is done, I suppose BlackRock will apply for XRP Solana Spot ETFs with all POS blockchain staking services in the ETFs, including Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Hedera, Algorand, etc. It will take some more time. Canada to launch spot Solana ETFs this week, and these upcoming Solana ETFs will offer staking features in Canada. Whereas SEC delayed Ethereum staking services in the current ETF products, why not staking in United States now? Which direction is right? Well, Canada's ETF is a precursor of USA's crypto ETFs ever since 2020. If Ethereum staking services is approved in current ETF products, I assume that this will lift up the entire altcoin market. However, it will likely uh, to take some more time for this. Sina, he is the founder of 21st Capital. He mentioned in his tweet the risk reward setup is materially improved. Short term holders are still sitting on an average unrealized loss of 10%, a condition conducive to a bottoming pattern. Short-term holder NVRV market value realized value has returned to the deep value range, comparable to the 2023 and 2024 lows. He mentioned this in a very short phrase, the V-shaped market playbook. Bitcoin will, be bottoming. Maybe we are in the at the very bottom, at least near the bottom area, but it will show us the V-shaped pivot as the things get improved, including tariffs and the Federal Reserve, the rate cuts, things like that. Anyway, Bitcoin short-term hodler NVRV, when you take a look at this, we had several lows in 2023, in 2024 bottom, and now, which means short-term holders are in huge lows right now. Most of the times, this type of this type of bottoming season was the great time to buy the dip. Bitcoin realized losses. Short-term holders losses in red. Long-term holders realized loss in blue. As you can see, the short-term holder, uh, their loss in red picked up in August 2024 when unwinding of yen carry trade happened. And now, for the last couple of months, rifts were broke out. That short-term holder sold at losses. However, we cannot see long-term holders, which is in blue, their losses in blue lately. Why? Long-term holders didn't sell digital crypto assets recently at losses. Rather, they bought the dip. That's exactly what happened. Here's another chart, Bitcoin NVRV Z-score. I just drew a line 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now we are below 2 range, which means we are in the correction phase right now. When you take a look at those all the past the Z scores, NVRV Z scores of Bitcoin, it went below 0 in 2022 when Terra Luna FTX collapsed, and in March 2020 when COVID-19 broke out, and in late 2018, in early 2019, and also the Bitcoin NVRV Z score went below 0 around in late 2014 till mostly the entire year of 2015. Bitcoin NVRV Z score, when we see this score goes below 0, it's usually seen in the bear market. Right now, however, we are located in correction phase in the middle of the bull market, in my personal opinion. Don't focus on the prices of those altcoins and Bitcoin. Rather, focus on the just those indicators which can tell us when to buy, or when to exit the market. For example, ISM indicator. When it reaches around 60, we are currently below 50, which means the economy of the United States is shrinking right now. When it reaches 60, when Bitcoin dominance, currently speaking, Bitcoin dominance is around 63, which means altcoins prices has been under great pressure. The Bitcoin dominance needs to go below 50 at least. Right now it's 63. Coinbase global app ranking needs to be number 1 in the world. Right now it's just out of 200, almost 300. Nobody is interested in crypto assets right now. So here's the thing. Those indicators will tell us when to leave, and not exactly, but roughly speaking. The important thing is now is not the right time to exit the market at all. I know it's somewhat difficult, but stay focused, stay patient, and enjoy your life. Thank you for listening.